OpenAI started to crawling LLMs text file for websites. While you are waiting for Google to index your website, ChatGPT is already discovering your content throughout LLMs text files. According to Ray Martinez posted a screenshot about their log files, and it showed that OpenAI crawling is LLMs text file for every 15 minutes or so. So it's so important to create a LLM text file for your website, and we are providing a free tool to do that. Let me show you how. So simply visit our website LLM text generator page and put your website into the tool. So simply add your website and click generate. When you click generate, we are crawling your website and we are generating your page description according to Llama AI model. So here is the list of the page you have, and the description came from Llama. And you can simply copy and save as LLMs text and upload your root folder of your website. That's all you need. Thank you for your listening.